Shout out. Whew, talaga naman. Let's see kung meron pa tayong pwedeng kantahin dito. Okay. Let's try this one from the Breads, Guitar Man. All right, this song is Guitar Man, and I would like to do it acoustic style. No? So it's going to be like acoustic cover song, Guitar Man by the Bread. All right, something like this.
It's a crowded place, so now baby it's a guitar man. Who's gonna steal the show? You know baby it's a guitar man. He can make you love, he can make you cry. He will bring you down and he'll get you high. Something keeps him going miles and miles a day to find another place to play. Night after night they treat you right, baby it's a guitar man. Who's on the radio, you go listen to the guitar man. And then he comes to town and you see his face, and you think you might like to take his place. But something keeps him drifting miles and miles away, searching for the song to play. And you listen to the music and you like to sing along. You want to get the meaning out of each and every song. Then you find yourself a message and some words to call your own and take them home. He can make you love, he can get you high. He will bring you down, then he'll make you cry. Something keeps him moving, but no one seems to know what it is that makes him go. Then the lights begin to flicker and the sounds is getting deep. The voice begin to falter and the crowds are getting deep. But he never seems to notice, he just got to find another place to play. Fade away, gotta play. Fade away, fade away, gotta play. Fade away.
All right, that's a song. Is acoustic cover song entitled Guitar Man by the Breads. And shout out to everyone. Good evening. This is Mix D, your sexy cowboy. Ayan, doing most requested songs, mga OPM mga hugot love song, and of course yung mga country music na mga songs. Alright, shout out to everyone. Magandang gabi. Alright.